minus x square minus 3xy dy equal to 0. This is the homogeneous. How it is homogeneous? All degree are the same. You can see that this is the degree of this term is 2. Degree of this term is 2. This is also degree 2. This is also degree 2. જેમ આપણે આગળ જોયું હતું, if you replace t x and ty in this place, you are getting t square common. So it's a homogeneous equation. And n. M is a coefficient of dx. N is a coefficient of dy. Then we will check. What we will check here? Del m by del y. What's the del m by del y? That is x minus 4y. And here derivative with respect to x is a minus 2x plus 3y, which are not equal. These two are not equal. That's why it's not exact. So we will find the integrating factor by the rule 1. So mx plus ny. Multiply this m with the x and multiply this n with the y. Adding this 2 is a xy square, which is not equal to 0. So therefore integrating factor is 1 upon mx plus ny. So 1 upon xy square. Multiplying both the side, we are getting this equation. We have to check this is the exact or not. How we can check? By checking del m by del y is equal to del n by del x. If this is the exact, then we have this solution. How we can find this solution? By again using the solution from the exact differential equation. What is the solution of the exact differential equation? Again I am going to repeat that. That is the integration m dx, here keeping y constant, plus integration term of n which having only y, that is free from x, and to dy is equal to c. This is the solution of the exact differential equation. Look at the screen. So by using that, we have this solution. Now we are taking the rule 2. If mx minus ny is not equal to 0, and if we have a form of the equation is f1 xy dx plus f2 fyx, એટલે અહીંયા એક y કોમન નીકળતો હોય dx સાથે, x ને dy સાથે કોમન હોય, then this type of equation, differential equation, having the integrating factor is a 1 upon mx minus ny. Let's see with the example. Here you can see in this example xy sin xy plus cos xy y dx plus this. Here y is outside. Here you can say x is outside. If this type of equation we have, that is f1 f of xy y dx, f2 xy x dy. So m and n, m the value is m x y square sin xy plus y cos xy, and n is equal to x square y sin xy minus x cos xy. Take the integrating factor. How we can find the integrating factor? Take mx minus ny, multiply m with the x minus multiply n with the y. The answer is a 2xy cos xy, which is not equal to 0. So integrating factor is a 1 upon mx minus ny. We have this. Multiply this integrating factor to the differential equation. We are getting this differential equation. This is our new m. This is our new n. Check this m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Is the exact or not? This is the exact. How we can find is the exact? That is del m by del y is equal to del n by del x. એટલે આનું derivative with respect to y લેવાનું, આનું derivative with respect to x લેવાનું. Both are equal, then it is exact. So the general solution is a m dx. Find the m dx separately. That is a y tan xy plus 1 by x dx of this. and dy. We are taking the only term that containing the value of the y. Therefore, combining this two, we have this solution. Now the rule 3, that is m dx plus n dy equal to 0. If 1 upon n del m by del y minus del n by del x is a function of x only, then say fx, then e raised to integration fx dx is the integrating factor. Let's see with the example. X square y square plus 1 dx minus 2xy dy. So m is equal to this, n is equal to this. 1 upon n, take the derivative with respect to y of m. X square derivative 0, anu 2y plus 0. Anu derivative also with respect to x is a minus 2y. So minus minus here plus. So 2y plus 2y. Agad 1 upon n. So 1 upon 2xy minus sign. Here outside, so minus 2 by x. So e raised to integrating factor is only the function of x. So here we have e minus 2 by x dx. So minus e raised to log x. So log x raised to minus 2. So it's x is to minus 1 by x. So multiplying both the side with this, we are getting this equation. So differential equation. It's exact. How we can check exact? By the condition of the exact. So integration m dx is this and dy is this, and combine of this two, we are getting the answer of this. That is x square minus y square minus 1 is equal to cx. Rule 4. For the differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0, if 1 upon m del n by del x minus del n by del y is a function of only y, say g of y, then e raised to integration gy dy is the only integrating factor. આનો પણ એક્ઝામ્પલ સપોઝ આપણે જોઈએ that xy cube plus y dx plus 2x square y square plus xy raised to 4 dy. This is our m, this is our n. Then taking partial derivative with respect to y, with respect to x, subtraction of this 2 upon m. So we have this value is only the function of y, and multiplying this to the whole equation, you take with integrating factor e raised to that 1 by y dy. So log y multiplying with this is the exact. Then if it is exact, we have this the general solution. Therefore we have this solution. We can do this type of different examples, right? This is another second example of this technique. So એક્ઝેક્ટ ડિફરન્શિયલ ઇક્વેશન ના હોય તો આપણે એને એક્ઝેક્ટ બનાવી શકીએ છીએ. એક્ઝેક્ટ બનાવવાની 4 ટેકનિક્સ છે. હવે એક લાસ્ટ ઇક્વેશન જોઈ લઈએ કે બર્નોલી ફોર્મમાં હોય. બર્નોલી ફોર્મ એટલે dy by dx પ્લસ p of x y ઇક્વલ ટુ q of x y raised to n ફોર્મમાં ડિફરન્શિયલ ઇક્વેશન હોય. અહીંયા y raised to n હોય તો આખા ઇક્વેશનને y raised to n વડે ડિવાઈડ કરી અને એને સોલ્વ કરવાની મેથડ છે. એને y raised to n વડે ડિવાઈડ કરી પછી y raised to 1 minus n ને v લઈ અને એને આપણે કન્વર્ટ કરીશું લિનિયરની અંદર. Then this convert in the form of linear. એક એક્ઝામ્પલ આનો જોઈ લઈએ. dy by dx plus y by x is equal to x square y raised to 4. અહીંયા y raised to 4 છે, આખાને નથી ડિવાઈડ કરવાનું. આખાને ડિવાઈડ કરવાથી this is y raised to 6. If it is divided with this, so y raised to minus 6 dy by dx y raised to minus 5 x square. So v is equal to y raised to minus 5 dy by dx is equal to minus 5 y raised to minus 6 dy. Then equation 1 will be this. This is our linear equation. Linear equation આપણે કેવી રીતે સોલ્વ કરીએ છીએ? p અને q લઈને integrating factor is e raised to minus 5 by x dx, and the general solution is a v into if q into if. અને integration solve કરતા આપણને આ સોલ્યુશન મળે છે. સો દેટ ઇઝ અવર જનરલ સોલ્યુશન. સો વી હેવ ધીસ જનરલ સોલ્યુશન, રાઈટ. અને છેલ્લે વીની વેલ્યુ મૂકી દેવાની. સો આ રીતે બર્નોલી ઇક્વેશનને સોલ્વ કરી શકાય છે. આવા અનેક એક્ઝામ્પલ આપણે જોઈ શકીએ છીએ. અહીંયા સ્ક્રીન પર એક બીજો એક્ઝામ્પલ મૂક્યો છે. સો મિત્ર, આ રીતે આપણે ફર્સ્ટ ઓર્ડરને સોલ્વ કરવાની અલગ અલગ ટેકનિક્સ જોઈ, જેની અંદર આપણે વેરિયેબલ સેપરેબલ, હોમોજીનિયસ, લિનિયર, એક્ઝેક્ટની 4 ટેકનિક્સ જોઈ. એ 4 ટેકનિક્સની અંદર અલગ અલગ ઇન્ટિગ્રેટિંગ ફેક્ટર જોયા અને દરેકના આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ જોયા. સો આવા બીજા ઘણા એક્ઝામ્પલ તમે સોલ્વ કરી શકો છો અને પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી શકો છો. સો આપનો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર.
Sandhan. All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.